Hey everybody, let's see what the animals are doing. Oh wait, that's not one of my animals. There's Gabers. Everybody say hi, Gabe. Yeah, there's Gabers. There's the shadow model. Say, I'm a model. I was in a calendar and I took number 5 as the cutest pet. She took 5th place. Now let's go find everybody's favorite cat, the Draco kitty. Well, he's not in his bed. It's a Draco kitty. It's a Draco kitty, everybody. Yeah, Draco, say hi. Say hi, Draco. Hey, you gonna say hi to everybody? Everybody saying, leave that kitty alone.